Alright, y'all, so are you looking for a fun recipe to do with your kids? Well, I'm bringing you one. We've got homemade gummy candies. For this, we have some sugar, some unflavored Knox gelatin, and some fruit juice. You could use whatever fruit juice you would like. We're using grape. You can use apple, you can use grape, you could use prune, you could use cranberry. You know, anything you want to use, you can use it. Let's get over and start making our candy. Alright, y'all, so we have a medium saucepan over a medium-high heat. We're going to go ahead and add in 2 cups of our fruit juice. Then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of our sugar. And then we're going to add 6 packages of our unflavored gelatin. Now we're doing this on a medium-high heat, and we're just going to stir this until all of our gelatin and sugar dissolve. Which will be fairly quick. Alright, y'all, so we have ours mixed up. We're going to let it sit on our heat for about a minute, and then we're going to go ahead and pull it off of there. We'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, so now we have a liquid measuring cup, and we're just going to take our candy mixture and pour that into our measuring cup. Now, an FYI, you may want to get your saucepan into some water to soak fairly quickly. Now that we have our mixture poured into a cup, let's go ahead and get our molds. Alright, y'all, so we have our molds. We have some dinosaurs, we got some bees, we got some fruits. These are just some silicone molds. I picked them up at Walmart for 50 cents a piece. So now we're just going to carefully take and pour just a little bit into each of our molds. Oops. It may be a little messy, FYI. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead, get these poured, and I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. Something I forgot to mention is I did put a cookie sheet under my trays, my molds, because I knew there would be spillage. So now, you're also noticing that I got some empty molds still. That's because I'm going to go ahead and whip up some apple mixture as well. And I'll mix those up, and I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. So now we've got all of our candy molds poured. We're going to go ahead and let these sit on the counter for about 10 minutes until the tops start to set. Alright, y'all, so we've let these sit for a while. The tops have begun to set. All we're going to do now is go ahead and throw these in the fridge for 2 hours. Alright, y'all, so our gummies have been in the fridge for a few hours. They should be set up. They feel set up. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pop all these out of the trays, and it's just simple silicone, so all we'll have to do is push on the back. But this is going to require 2 hands, and I don't have my cameraman here today, so I'm going to pop all these out, and I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, and there you have your jelly candies. I think here we have, what we got? We got a grape bee, we got another grape bee, an apple bee. I know there's some grape dinos in there somewhere. This is a great recipe for kids. You can make this at home with them. And if you like this video, smash that like and subscribe button down below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.